Hey guys, my name's Jay, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install a rear derailleur on your bike in 6 easy steps. So today, we'll be installing a Shimano GRX 810 rear derailleur with a Wolftooth road link. Alright, so we're in a different view now, and I'm just talking over the mic. You can see I'm attaching the derailleur to the bike and torquing it down. After that, I'm messing with the high limit. Right here, you're going to see me going counterclockwise. I'm loosening it up, and as you can see, when I loosen, the guide wheel goes outboard, away from the bike. And as I go clockwise, which is inboard, it goes in towards the bike. So now you can see I'm taking it counterclockwise, loosening, going outboard. After that, you're going to want to attach the chain, put that back on the bike. With the Shimano chains, they are directional, so make sure the logo is facing out. And the quick link also has an arrow. Once you get your chain on, you're going to want to double check your high limit, make sure that setting was correct. So I'm just making that final adjustment. Once again, I'll show you as you go righty-tighty, it goes inboard, which will then make the chain jump up. And as I go outboard, it'll make the chain jump back down. Now you can see I'm just pressing the derailleur, making sure it's going to go into the high gear nice and well. And now I'm going to adjust the low limit. Same thing, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, except counterclockwise, it opens up the limit, which in this case will make it go inboard. And if I were to go clockwise and tighten that limit, it'll make it close the limit, which would make the guide wheel go outboard, towards the outs, away from the bike. So now after that, I'm just attaching the cable. I just sped things up. After attaching the cable, I like to pre-stretch the cable a little bit. In order to do that, I just hold the derailleur and then do a couple shifts. Now I'm adjusting the B limit. The B limit is what sets the distance between the guide wheel and the largest cog. You want there to be a little gap. You don't want there to be any rubbing. So after that, I'm just pedaling through the bike, seeing how it's shifting, and I'm going to be adjusting the cable tension. Now you do this basically by ear, and then after that, you use your sight. And as you can see, I'm just shifting up and down the cassette, and I'll make small adjustments as needed. And if your derailleur also has a clutch, turn that on and do the adjustment. Turn the barrel counterclockwise like I just did there. That adds tension to the system, which would then make it want to shift up sooner, shift up into a lower gear sooner. And if I were to take the barrel and spin it clockwise, it's going to make you want to downshift faster into higher gears. So you can see I just made a couple more adjustments, and now I'm going through the cassette once again and just shifting through it. And you're going to want to do this, until it's right. You just use your ears. Your drivetrain's basically set up when it's quiet across every gear and shifting fast into every single one. And when it's done, it should look something like this. So yeah, that's it guys. That's how you set up a derailleur. Hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Also, stay tuned as in my next video, I'll give my final thoughts on the Ritchie Coyote handlebars.